Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're going to be learning how to make some banh mi sandwiches. So, the first step in our journey is to create the daikon and carrot salad. So first off, you need to know what we need for the ingredients. We need about 2 pounds of carrots, so that's about 5 medium-sized carrots. Next we need 2 pounds of daikon radishes, about 2 large daikons. 1 cup plus 4 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2.5 cups of white vinegar, and 2 cups of warm water. Our next step is to prepare the ingredients. So first we need to peel the daikon and carrots, and afterwards we need to cut the daikon and carrots lengthwise in the strips to the desired size. Afterwards we put them in a bowl and mix with 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of salt for about 5 or more minutes. This is to help draw the water out of the carrots and daikons, so that it will help the carrots and daikon lose its structure. Afterwards, we need to rinse. For the vinegar bath, we need to grab another bowl. So mix in 1 cup sugar, 2.5 cups of white vinegar, and 2 cups of warm water. Mix until all the sugar dissolves. Step 3. Pickling. So for our last step today, we need to get some jars and fill them with the daikon and carrot mixture. Afterwards, we need to fill the jar to the brim with the vinegar solution, seal it, and put it in the refrigerator. We need to put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 night before eating, and better yet, for 2 to 3 days to determine the sourness. So you should check on the daikons and carrots about every 12 hours or so to see if it's sour enough to your liking. Let's head over to the kitchen and start making the sandwiches.
So the first step today is to get some bread, or baguette as we call it. And over here is my partner, Daniel. I can see him, but yeah, he's going to be helping me with cutting these sandwiches. I'm just going to cut out now. So how we cut the bread is we cut this in half, and then we cut it in half once again. Afterwards, we would cut along the middle to create a little sandwich area to put the meat in. Step 2, cut the meat. So what we have today is we have some veggie turkey for those vegetarian people out there, and we're just going to cut some slices off. Yeah, somehow. So the step 3, put mayonnaise into the bread. Step 5, we're going to put the salad inside the banh mi. Banh mi. Salad? Sure.
You should explain it what it is.
So inside this salad we have some carrots and Dyson. Excuse me. And they've been fermented, and you basically put like vinegar or something and soak it in an hour, and just, yeah. That's how you make it.